In this video, I will show you a revolutionary way to handle your hair care routine using the electric spray air cushion massage comb. We have all dealt with messy tangles and dry frizz, but this gadget promises to change the game by combining atomized spray technology with a soothing scalp massage. At first glance, it looks like a high-end brush with a sleek ergonomic handle, but the real magic happens when you fill the small water tank. With a quick press of a button, it releases a superfine mist that hydrates your hair instantly. This is incredibly helpful for those morning sessions when your hair is stubborn. Unlike traditional spraying, this mist is so light that it does not leave your hair soaking wet, just perfectly damp for styling. As you glide the flexible air cushion bristles through your locks, the vibration mode kicks in to stimulate blood flow to your scalp. It feels like a professional spa treatment right in your own hands. The combination of the cooling mist and the rhythmic pulses is honestly addictive. It works wonders for detangling without the painful pulling we usually endure. This tool is lightweight and rechargeable, making it ideal for travel or a quick refresh before a meeting. If you want smoother hair and a relaxed mind, this is a must-have accessory.